Hi there, welcome back to our channel. It's Mark at Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Just wanted to show you here as I was in the middle of changing this AC condenser. That's the part in front of the car. It sits in front of the rad. Here's the old one. I can hold it up with one hand, I'm so strong. It was leaking, obviously, as you can see, staining on it. The AC system has very many pieces, and sometimes you do have to take the whole bumper off to get to it. Do we have a shot at the bumper there? Fantastic. Bumper has to be removed. Down in here where I have shining my light is the AC compressor. It's what pretty much starts it. It usually runs off of the belt. The compressor then pumps the refrigerant in through. There's a couple lines that come up through here. Then it goes into the firewall to meet the evaporator core. That piece is inside the dash, just like at your house where you have one piece of your AC system in your furnace. There's various components. Sometimes some will fail. Sometimes you can have strange smells. You can have weak airflow. You can have, the biggest one, warm air, and you don't keep cool. So if you notice any of these, it's time to bring your car in for an inspection. Now here's the exciting part this summer. We're offering a promotion that you can save up to $100 on air conditioning repair. All you need to do is purchase and install qualifying air conditioning products from us, and you can submit it for a rebate. It's our way of making sure you stay cool and comfortable all summer long. For more details, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Stay cool and see you next time.